Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to overlay videos or images in CapCut. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened here. Now you can always add different video by clicking on overlay and add overlay. You can choose different videos from your gallery, or you can select your clip, drag, split, and use the clip that you've cut from the main clip as an overlay by clicking on overlay beside relight. It will be dragged to the bottom and you can readjust the clip however you want, and you can also readjust the clip on the screen however you wish it to be. You can do the same with photos, videos, and even green screen, GIFs, anything you like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.